Hello everyone! Today we'll explore the Magento 2 Social Login module. It allows customers to easily log into the online store using their existing social network credentials from Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, or Instagram.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video.
We are now on the Magento admin panel. Click on Stores and navigate to Configuration. Here, you can see the Social Sign-up Configuration section. In this section, there is an option labeled Enable/Disable All Social Login. The admin can enable or disable this feature. When disabled, the social login option will not appear on the front end. When enabled, the social login option will be visible to customers on the front end. Here, the admin can select the pages where the social login button will appear, such as the login page, registration form, and checkout page. The admin can choose one or all of these options. Next is the social share icon on product page setting. When enabled, social media icons will be displayed on the product page. Moving further, there is the Subscribe Customer to Email Newsletter option. By selecting Yes, customers will be automatically subscribed to the newsletter mailing list upon registration. Next is the Login Success page setting. When a customer logs in using a social icon, the admin can choose where to redirect them, such as a custom URL, the Privacy and Cookies Policy page, or the Home page. For example, we can select the Home page. The same applies to the Registration Success page setting, where the admin can also choose to redirect customers to the home page after successful registration. In the Facebook section, you can see the Status option. The admin can enable it and then enter the App ID and App Secret key in the respective fields. Next, upload the icon image for the Login button by clicking on Choose File and then click on Validate Facebook Credentials. Once validated successfully, repeat the same steps for Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, and Instagram. After completing all configurations, click on Save Config to save the settings successfully. Now, let's move to the front end. Here, customers can easily log in using Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, or Instagram. For this example, we'll click on the Facebook icon. Enter your email ID and password, then click on the Login button. After that, enter the verification code and click Continue. Select Trust this device and allow the necessary permissions. As we can see, the customer has successfully logged in using their Facebook account. Now, let's take another example using Google. First, click on the Google icon. Enter your email ID and click Next. Then enter your password and click Next again. As we can see, the customer has successfully logged in using their Google account. The same functionality applies to the Create an Account page. Scroll down and you'll see the social login options for Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Using these options, customers can easily create an account with their existing social media credentials. Now we are on the product page. By clicking on a social icon, customers can easily share the product on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. For this example, we'll click on the Facebook icon. The customer can post the product simply by clicking the Share button. The same process applies to Twitter and LinkedIn as well. Additionally, guest users can easily log in during the checkout process using their Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn, or Instagram.
And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.